Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Tech News. My name is Gaurav and I make tech videos every single day. And if you're new around this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first news is from Gionee. Gionee is making a comeback in the Indian market after the launch of the Gionee F9 Plus, which was launched late September last year, that is in 2019. After a year long of wait, Gionee is making a comeback with their new smartphone, that is the Gionee Max, and this was revealed in the e-commerce website, that is Flipkart. The Flipkart website also mentioned the release date of this phone and some other specifications of this phone. Flipkart mentioned this phone under rupees 6,000, which means that the Gionee Max is gonna be under 6,000 rupees of price tag. The launch of this Gionee Max is gonna be on August 25th, that is 5 days from today. And interestingly, a few weeks ago, a smartphone of Gionee with 10,000 mAh of battery was spotted in the TECHNEWS website of China smartphone market. Flipkart has mentioned a max battery thing about this phone on the Flipkart website, and the company Gionee has made a plan on revealing what this max battery is today on August 20th. It's gonna be interesting to see how the Gionee's new phone is gonna be coming up because of the price tag, because as you can see in the photo, this phone has a huge bezels on the sides and top, and the bottom is chin part is really big bezels. As you can see, in 2020 a lot of phones are coming bezel-less or hole punch camera, but this is going to be interesting to see how Gionee is going to be making its first impression after a long wait. The second news is from BlackBerry. BlackBerry is not giving up on its ambitions of the smartphone. Onward Mobility CEO Peter Franklin has announced an agreement with the BlackBerry and FIH Mobiles Limited. The three companies are going to be working together and trying to build a new 5G smartphone for BlackBerry, which is going to be coming with Android. And this phone is going to be coming with a physical keyboard. Yes, a physical keyboard is going to be coming with this new BlackBerry smartphone, which is going to be releasing in 2021. The company has made a plan on releasing this phone first in North America and Europe in the first quarter of 2021. There are no plans yet or announcements yet that this phone is gonna be coming to India or not, but if it does, I'll let you know. You have to follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram link in the below, so you can follow me over there. Onward Mobility's interest toward reviving BlackBerry is that in the beginning, a lot of people who were using BlackBerry were using for corporate purpose, because BlackBerrys were very private phones. These were maintaining a high privacy. And that is the only reason Onwards Mobility is trying to revive BlackBerry. A lot of corporate people have been waiting for a phone that is, having a lot of privacy. The third news is from Oppo. Oppo's F17 Pro is coming to India soon. The mobile company has teased the launch of this Oppo F17 Pro via a post on Twitter. The tweet says that, "Want a new way to flaunt? The sleekest phone of 2020 is on its way, stay tuned." Oppo claims that this phone is going to be the sleekest phone of 2020. The device will be 7.8 millimeters thin and is going to weigh only 164 grams. Oppo has not yet revealed any of this specifications of this phone, either the camera or the screen size or anything, but they've just teased that this phone is going to be the sleekest phone. So I'm thinking that the back of the phone is also not going to be coming with a camera protrusion. The official website of Oppo claims that this phone is going to be coming under rupees 25,000, which means that this phone is a mid-ranger smartphone, and this phone is going to be competing with the likes of M21s or M31s. So this was a fun tech news video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up. Two companies are making a comeback and one company is releasing its new smartphone. If you did like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe if you're new around here. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.